The top sirloin butt is located at the lower back and is considered one of the middle meat cuts, known as the top sirloin butt, top butt, or the sirloin butt. The main components consist of the culotte muscle, biceps femoris, the center muscle, gluteus medius, and the chicken muscle or mouse muscle, gluteus accessoris and gluteus profundus. The top sirloin typically has a weight range between 4 to 7 kilograms or 9 to 15.5 pounds. The top sirloin is a highly desirable cut, prized for its flavor, yield, and versatility. The cooking methods this cut is best suited for include grilling, roasting, rotisserie, and sautéing. We will now demonstrate the classic preparation of the top sirloin. Because the natural meat grains run in opposing directions, it is recommended to remove the culotte muscle from the main muscle. Turn over the top sirloin. Trim the excess fat to expose the natural seam and remove any heavy membrane. Once completed, pull the culotte to separate it from the main muscle. Using the tip of your knife, carefully continue to separate the natural seam until the culotte is removed. In order to ensure a consistent eating quality and customer satisfaction, you have the option to remove the soft, sinewy chicken muscle or mouse muscle located on the underside of the center muscle. It is recommended that the first 1.3 centimeters or ½ inch of the face is removed and can be further merchandised. This is done to ensure a more consistent and palatable steak. For classic large steak formats, you are now ready to portion the entire main muscle. For fast fry steaks, cut a 1.3 centimeter or a ½ inch steak. The top sirloin offers an excellent roasting option. You can leave whole or split the main muscle lengthwise. Today's consumers are seeking new and unique meal options. When it comes to beef, they are looking for a product that will consistently deliver a tender, juicy eating experience. As previously demonstrated, remove the culotte muscle. Ensure proper grain direction and portion for steaks. Remember, this process will enhance consumer satisfaction and at the same time allow the retailer an opportunity to manage throughput of product while maximizing gross margin. In order to obtain desired grilling and roasting options, split the main muscle into 2 or 3 pieces. Depending on the size of the muscle, this process allows you to create another line of consumer-driven cut options. The cuts are now ready to be merchandised. Using the netting system, you are now ready to create top sirloin premium grilling medallions, top sirloin quick roasts, rotisserie roasts, or a combination of all. It's about variety, product throughput, gross margin, and consumer demand. To enhance inventory management and control product throughput, you may elect to add variety. These methods provide the opportunity to offer a more uniform, consistent product. You may consider offering classic cut top sirloin grilling steaks on family pack and small trays. The full variety of consumer-driven cuts on smaller trays will provide consumers convenient and consistent meal options. Product line extensions taken one step further will not only provide variety and customer loyalty, but will improve gross margins and decrease shrink. Market research has indicated that a growing consumer base are requiring a true steakhouse dining experience at home. Thicker cut, smaller portions. Additional market research has confirmed that, if available, consumers would purchase smaller roasts that would be easily prepared in 1 hour. Cattle weights in North America on average have increased by approximately 16% over the past 20 years. The preparation methods demonstrated have been designed to address portion size, steak thickness, and merchandising options. From the sirloin trim, including the face cut, many viable and profitable items can be produced. Stir-fry strips, grilling cubes, as well as premium ground sirloin are all options. We have demonstrated a variety of merchandising techniques to help increase both counter variety and consumer options.